where I work. Shout out to Imelda. She's a Filipino fan and she always visits and
Did she visit
we love
today?
her. Yeah.
Oh, did she?
And we love her. I can't show you my mouth.
Why can't we show you your mouth? Because you got a big tongue.
Yes.
Because you drank raspberry, what? Frozen raspberry. Alright, Halle, can you still speak Tagalog? I taught you some Tagalog years ago. Can you still speak it?
Of course.
Go on.
Ready? Ako po si Halle, ito po si Dwayne. Dwayne C.
Dwayne C.
Ano mo?
You remember that one?
Of course.
What else can you say?
Oh, whoops, sorry. I can also say, oh, it's very shaky. I can also say, yukade.
That's what I like.
Oh, whoops. Malamig. Laushu.
It's Chinese.
Itadakimasu.
It's Chinese.
I know. Every language ever.
Do you remember how to say delicious?
I forgot.
Sarap.
Masarap. Masayona. Anaha.
What about cold?
Malamig.
Yes. How do you say welcome Philippines?
Mabuhay, Filipinas! What else can I say?
What about good looking?
A stick.
A stick.
No, wait. Pinoy. Wait.
Pinoy.
What's that word?
Filipino is Pinoy.
Maganda.
Yeah, maganda.
That's beautiful.
Yeah, that's
right?
beautiful, yeah.
Maganda.
What about for a boy? How would you say boy is good looking?
I don't know. I forgot. How do you say it?
Guapo.
Oh! I know that. Guapo.
Do you know how to say boyfriend?
No.
It's Joa.
Joa.
Yes.
And girlfriend is Goa.
So you say my Joa ako.
My Joa ako.
That means I have a boyfriend.
My Joa ako.
Oh, Halle has a boyfriend.
No.
Tell us about your boyfriend, Halle.
So he's an NBA player also.
He's super short, eh?
He's so short.
So Halle, you said you want to go to the Philippines this year, is that right?
Yes, I wanna go to Makati, whatever. But Leyte, Bohol. I've already been to Bohol and I saw the monkeys. What's it called? The Tanzia or something like
Oh,
that.
Tasia.
Yeah, I did see that.
How long are you going to go to the Philippines for?
2 weeks.
2 weeks, eh?
Yeah. I'm gonna go for 2 weeks. And see my baby Nitro.
Yes.
I miss him so much. Does he actually remember me?
Yeah, of course he does. Yeah, that's why he said Yukade.
Yukade. Oh, I can't believe he remembers that.
Yeah,
No
that's why
way.
he said it to you when
Are
he
you
saw you.
serious?
Yukade.
Yukade. That is so funny.
That was your catchphrase to him.
I always said that to him because he would never come to me. So I go, hey, Yukade.
Hey, Yukade.
I can't believe you remember that. He's got a little accent too.
Yep. So you quit your job, Halle, at Retail Shop. So you're not there anymore.
No.
Alright.
just quit
And
my
you
job.
work in an office now.
Well, I haven't started.
Oh, you're a receptionist.
Sana all manifest new job and income.
Manifest new job and income.
Manifest new job and income and joy. Is that boyfriend?
Joa.
Joa.
Joey.
Joa.
What? Okay. Wait, did you just manifest a new Joa?
No! How do you say no? I don't even know how to say that in Tagalog.
Hindi.
Oh, hindi.
Hindi.
Oh, Hindi.
Hindi.
Opo.
Yeah, Papa. Yeah.
That's it.
There you go. Halle can speak Tagalog, guys. So yeah, I'm dropping Halle off today. We had the kosha dun sa... Ano? Where am I taking you?
Kilay is life.
Oh yeah, she's going to the beauty salon.
Yes.
To ayos na kilay.
Yes. Kilay
The
is
friends.
life. Maraming salamat
Sa panonood.
sa panonood.
Maraming salamat sa panonood.
What is it again?
Maraming salamat
Maraming salamat sa panonood
Sa video na to.
sa video na to.
Kita-kits sa
Kita
ulitin.
kits!
Sa ulitin.
So, kita kits sa uliting!
Hey, bye for now.
Bye-bye!
See ya, Halle.
Thank you, Dwayne.
Bye-bye. Hey guys, if you would like to learn to speak Bisaya, check out our online course on Udemy. Link will be in the description below. Salamat kayo sa paglantaw sa among vlog karong adlaw. See you in the next one. Bye for now.